Alright y'all, this is my 10th scale, 2nd gen Cummins, making more progress. I still have these headlight lenses to make. I gotta paint the bumper yet. Yeah, so this is the truck so far. I did the windows. I don't know if you can see, but I moved the receiver and the ESC up under the front, so they basically sit above the front axle. You got the antenna for the receiver there, but that's how it is. Got rid of the skid plates. I added these 2 pieces to protect the motor. And so yeah, it looks way better than what it did. Did a little detail painting, dirty squatch off-road and stuff. But yeah, so I glued the hood stack back in there. Like I said, that's a 45 shell. It came out of my 1911. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Coming along really nice. And appreciate you hanging out and bearing with me on this project. So we're gonna hopefully get this out on Saturday and do some actual crawling. I still have to figure out bed mounts, but yeah, the detail painting so far really helped bring it to life. And yeah, it's looking really cool now. So yeah, I guess we'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully we can get some more of this truck in action.